kumpleto ba ang MedClub Diagnostics na matatagpuan sa Vertis North?
Thank you po, Kong, for inviting the MedClub Diagnostics on your program. Generally, yes. Lahat po ng mga services na hinahanap ng mga Pilipino, no? Normal na Pilipino, kahit anong class po iyan, available po yan sa MedClub Diagnostics.
So yung lahat ng libreng dapat ma-avail ng isang PhilHealth member, can they avail it in MedClub?
Yes, Kong, tama po, no? They can avail free consultation, laboratory tests and procedures, and yung selected medicine po na provided po ng PhilHealth.
So both the 21 medicines
Correct
kasama.
po, 21 medicines.
So are you aware, as PhilHealth has said, unlimited checkups pala to at saka only gamot for the 21?
Tama,
Yes,
Kong.
correct.
So you're aware of that and you do that service for your YAKAP beneficiaries?
Correct. So generally, Kong, when they visit the facility and they register at the MedClub, unlimited yung mga services na makukuha nila, even the 21 gamot, no, under the YAKAP program. Generally, also, when they register at MedClub, ini-enroll na rin namin sila sa PhilHealth Gamot Program. Kasi meron kami...
So may partner na rin kayong PhilHealth Gamot.
Yes.
Sinong partner niyo na PhilHealth? Parang alam ko naman. Sinong partner niyo na PhilHealth
Actually,
Gamot?
ang partner po namin ay nasa vicinity lang din po ng Vertis, which is the medical depot, Doc.
Yun po yung maganda sa MedClub. Kaya sila yung pinili ko noon as mine. Well, malamang hindi pa ako binabalikan sa metformin ko. So, yung MedClub po nasa 4th floor. Yung medical depot, so pag nagreseta sila doon sa 54 medicines kung kailangan nyo, bababa lang kayo sa
Basement
Basement.
1.
basement. Andoon ang MedClub. So, doon naman yung 20,000 worth na credit line nila. So, do you do prescription already to your patients?
Yes, we do.
So pag pumunta sila sa inyo at kailangan nila dun sa 75, readily available sa MedClub.
Yes.
21 sa inyo, 54 kay Medical Depot, bababa lang sila ng escalator or elevator.
Tama,
Correct,
Kong.
correct.
Ayun yung advantage nito. Okay, so lahat ng, so pag napunta sa inyo, check upin ng doktor, so pag may recommended na kailangang diagnostics and laboratory na kasama sa PhilHealth, basta sagot na yun ng PhilHealth sa MedClub.
Yes, correct po.